Yep, time to unbox some more stuff. Okay, so since I have recently ordered my 16-inch MacBook Pro, and I am so excited for that to come, I decided to also get a few accessories to go along with it as well. I ordered some, and I got 2 of them here today, and I'm going to unbox them both in the same video because honestly, accessories, they don't really deserve that big of their own feature set videos. I figured why not just unbox both on camera, so I got the power adapter extension cable, whatever it is. What is the brand it is? Power adapter extension cable. Yep, that's what I got. And then I also, just because, I mean, this thing sold out so fast when it was released, the Apple polishing cloth. So I'll also be unboxing that. So I'll actually unbox the power adapter first. So I'll put that to the side. All right, so let me see. We got a tab here. That. We got any other tabs? Nope. Okay. So this looks fairly straightforward. Ooh. Thick, rubbery, but very hot premium. The reason why I got this was because I've actually discovered with my current MagSafe cable that it's actually not long enough. Sometimes whenever I plug it into an outlet, it's just not long enough. So this thing will definitely come in handy for those situations. So I can actually start using this today with my current MacBook. And if I just quickly go run and grab my charger. All right, got my charger here. And yeah, it should be as simple as popping this piece off. I like how Apple does that while some don't. And swapping that piece on. Now obviously this is not going to be a perfect fit because this charger I have is actually off-brand. My original charger had ripped and unfortunately the cable does not detach from the brick. So yeah, it's not a perfect fit, but hey, I at least have a much longer cable to have, so that's nice. And let's get to the polishing cloth. All right, so once again, we have our nice little tab here. Oh, this feels nice. Wow, this is nice. Got our little slip here that I don't necessarily need. And that's pretty much the rest of it. Oh, this feels so nice. I wish you could feel this right now because this feels really nice. Jeez, Apple knows how to make things feel really nice. I could probably clean my glasses with these. This is a polishing cloth after all. Okay, let's do a quick test. Didn't do a bad job. This is definitely nice to add to the collection. So there we go. There's our quick unboxings of a couple accessories that I've been looking for. Obviously, it's not that exciting of a video, but I have to get something out. So I know this is not as exciting as the MacBook itself, but once it gets here in March, then that'll definitely be unboxed as fast as possible. Yeah, that's what we've got for now. All right, thank you for watching. Do me a favor and interact with the stuff below. My name is DeWolf, Random Alpha, signing out.